Hello guys, today you'll be doing a 1-hour challenge in Roblox Studio. I was thinking of making a cookie clicker game, so I first decided to make a screen GUI and add a frame under it. I then added an image button under the frame. This image button will be the cookie that the players will click. To get the decal, I decided to use the toolbox since I don't have much time. I chose this one, which is the exact same as Cookie Clicker, and copied the ID and pasted it into the image button. I then removed the background so that it looks better. Then I added a local script under the button and a server script under Server Script Service for the leaderstats. Here is a scripting montage. Now, to make the data store, I added another script under the leaderstats script, then copy-pasted one of my older scripts. If you need the script, I have pasted it in the description. Now, moving on to the local script again, I just made it so that whenever you click the cookie, your total cookies go up by the number of cookies per click you have. Oh right, I also made a remote event called ClickAdd to help with the process. All I did was fire the event to the server when the cookie is clicked. I added another script in Server Script Service, which is the main script. Then, I added another remote event which will upgrade the CPS. Then I needed to make the GUI for the shop, so you could actually upgrade your CPS using your cookies. My GUI skills are not good, so please don't bully me in the comments. Now I needed to make it so you could buy it and also increase your CPS. When I play-tested the game, there was an error that made me unable to click the cookie and get more clicks. This was because I forgot to add .value after the CPs. This took me a while to figure out, though. But even after fixing this problem, I still didn't get any more cookies. So I did some debugging using print and found out that I was clicking, but the cookies weren't going up. This was a simple fix, though, and I won't go into detail. As you can see here, I can click, and my CPS is also going up after each purchase. Now I will make it so the shop is openable and closable so the screen isn't so full and scuffed. Now on to the scripting. This was pretty easy as I've made many openable and closable shops before. I also decided to add a title to the shop as it looked pretty bland. Here I am making the close button, which is very simple. Now on to scripting it. Now, as you can see, it works perfectly. Now I decided to make some labels, which count how many cookies you have and how many cookies you get each click. The GU. Looks pretty good in my standards. Now, for the scripting, it was pretty easy, but again, I forgot to add .value, which messed it up again. After I fixed it, it wasn't updating since I forgot to update the value every time. But I started to complicate things, and one of the labels broke. But later on, I fixed it, so it was no problem. As you can see, it works perfectly, but it all goes downhill from here. But for now, I am just fixing the GUI. Now, I decided to add a sort of auto-clicker that gets you cookies every second. This is where everything crumbles. For the next 20 minutes, I kept trying to make this feature. I became so desperate that I even used ChatGPT, but even ChatGPT couldn't fix this. At this point, I had lost all hope and almost gave up. But still, I had some determination left in me. In the meantime, I also made a leaderboard. I continued trying to fix this, but at the end, I failed and wasn't able to fully make the game in under 1 hour. The game link is in the description if anyone wants to check it out.